How to add event reminder on feed post on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then on the bottom corner you will see a plus option. Click on that. As you click on that plus option, now you can select any picture or anything that you want to send. Now say I am selecting this picture, and now by clicking on send option, down there I will have an option of add reminder. As I click on add reminder, now I can put here the event's name and also the event date by selecting the event date. And now by adding or posting the story on my Instagram feed, now I can set up post reminder on my Instagram feed. This is all from the video. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.